In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm cream contouring my face, and I thought I would show you guys the brushes and the product. These are the brushes that I use when I'm doing this. So I'm going to start with this one right here. It's just a complexion brush from e.l.f. This happens to be a C6156, just a foundation brush. This one is from e.l.f. This is just a beautiful brush for getting really into that jawline right here, and also for your neck, just to contour that neck area to make you look just a little bit more slim, especially right here and under the lip. This one is from ColourPop. This is a F31 brush. This is just a very supple brush, but this is great for blending out when you've got a little bit too much and you want to really fade. Alright, so these two brushes right here, so this one is from Scott Barnes. This is a number 61. This is primarily an eyeshadow brush, but I use this when I'm contouring, especially when I'm doing the nose. And this one is from MAC Cosmetics. This is a 246 brush. Again, just a supple brush, but this also works really good for contouring the lips, the nose, and just, you know, getting that jawline perfectly snatched. Now, for a cream contour for this video, I'm actually going to be using the Sculpt stick by Milk Cosmetics, and this happens to be the color Toasted. Now, I'm going to take Toasted here, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hands to warm up that color. I'm going to take this brush right here. This happens to be the e.l.f. brush. I'm just going to take some of this color, put it on my brush. Not a lot. We're not saturating the whole brush. I'm going to start from the center of my ear down to my mouth. That's the line that you want to create. Or if you smile like this, you're going to see the hollow of your cheek sits right in there. So that's where this line is going to go. Just like that. Now I want to just tap a little bit more of that product on to that area. This is such a beautiful product. I love it. It blends out amazingly, and you've got some workability time. Now I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This happens to be the It Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to blend those edges and really buff that out. It's there, but it's subtle. Now again, I'm going to go back into that product on the back of my hand because it's nice and warm. When the product is warmer, it's going to be easier to blend out on your skin. Now let's talk about contouring the neck. If you want your face to look a little bit, you know, more like filter-like, a little bit more, you know, snatched, you're going to contour your neck, especially if you want to make yourself look thinner. So we're just going to start right here under the ear. We're just going to draw that line. Just like that. And as you can see, between this side and this side, it's already looking really good. Like you're getting that snatched effect. Now I'm going to go in with this brush, which happens to be the ColourPop F31. I'm just going to blend that out. Small circular motions. I will often go in with the Merit brush for this as well. You guys know I own so many of those. I love them. But this one is just a really good soft brush to really blend that out. So you guys can see the difference, right? Snatched. Okay, so when it comes to contouring your nose, again, I'm going to take this brush right here. This is from MAC. This is a 246. I'm going to take just a little bit of that contour, not a lot. And I'm just going to run it down the side of my nose. I don't like a lot of nose contour, so I don't go in and do tons. But I just like to have it just a little bit, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Scott Barnes brush. And I like this brush just because it's got that fan effect. It's fabulous for blending. And I'm just going to blend that out right there. Now, this brush we've got from MAC. I'm just going to go in, take the last of the product off the back of my hand. I'm going to go in and place this right under my lips where it's full in the center. We're just going to place a little bit of that product there. This is going to help make your looks look more plump and luxurious and like really phenomenally large. Now I'm really working this out and drawing it, blending it out to the sides of my lips. You can see it's already kind of giving that shadow. It's making your lips look a little bit more large, plump, and luxurious. Now we're going to take this brush right here. This happens to be the blending brush I'm using from Scott Barnes. And I'm just going to just blend, tap and blend. Now you can go in and finish your makeup. You can underpaint with this technique. You can overpaint, you know, just apply it over top of your foundation. This is an amazing technique. The product is phenomenal. I love it. It came out about a month ago, but this is just one of those amazing products. So hopefully you guys can see the difference. No contour. Contour. If you guys loved this video, don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. And if you liked this, let me know in the comments down below and I'll try and do more of these little mini videos for you guys. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye!